Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Udah lama banget ya nggak bikin video. Minggu-minggu ini saya sibuk ke orderan, sibuk bikin produk baru, sibuk segala macam deh ya. Halo Imran. Fresh.
Wow, awesome.
Look, matcha is a green tea from Japan.
Oh, green tea, okay.
Yes. Do you like a green tea?
Green tea is good for you.
It's very good.
Is that a date?
Yes, yes. So,
proper Palestinian date.
yes, for the topping you can choose whatever you like.
The
green
one,
tea, yes, the new one, and also the filling you can choose chocolate or peanut butter.
Oh, okay. This is gonna be peanut butter, isn't it?
No, this is chocolate.
That is nice. Wow. So this is what, green tea flavor?
No, it's real green tea.
Is green tea to make the?
Yes, wow. This is why the color is green, all natural.
This is awesome. This is really nice. This is very nice.
Really? Which one you prefer, with the original chocolate or?
To be honest, they're all nice. I'm not gonna. If you're trying to get me to pick, I don't think I'd be biting from each one. I couldn't decide. They were really nice anyway, but this has come out awesome. Honestly, when you said green tea, I thought, I wonder what it's gonna taste like, but it's really nice. Honestly.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we picked the best one and the good quality.
So the normal ones that you made, you're gonna be adding these into the same.
Yes.
That's good.
So
You got more of a variety now.
that's right. Even the topping, people can choose whatever they want.
Pick and choose.
Yes.
You need to buy them before they run out. Now these are awesome. Honestly, wow. I was very impressed with them. The last time when I had them, I said they were top quality cookies. I can never get enough of these. In that one, will there be the green tea one in there as well?
Yeah, depend which one you want.
Oh, you can just pick.
You can just pick, yeah. As long as the minimum 6.
6 and above.
6 and above.
Yeah.
So,
I recommend all day, any day, every day.
okay, don't forget follow Instagram Yunileisureuk product.
And that's where all the products are listed on the Instagram.
Yes, okay. And the new product will be coming soon.
That look delicious.
Yes.
Leave them in the car.
Yes.
Oh, that's a new one.
Yes, the new one. Okay.
Yeah. We'll give you a verdict on it.
Okay. Saya makan yang mix dough, artinya ada rasa green tea, ada rasa coklat, dan ada rasa original. Tadi Dai dan Bray buru-buru, mereka mau pergi ke lapangan golf dan mereka mau bawa cookies juga. Sekarang saya menikmati cookies, nanti pas mereka pulang baru restoran open. Nah, hari ini saya dapat tantangan karena saya disuruh masak masakan ala barat, ala Eropa. Sosisnya sudah selesai, 1 kilo hanya segini saja jadinya karena ukurannya jumbo dan super besar.
Can we have the German frankfurters?
Homemade
Bread.
German Frankfurt.
Homemade.
Oh. Well done. I think in magic. Absolutely magic.
Okay.
She said delicious.
Okay, ready everybody?
Yeah, we're all ready. I noticed the different chairs seated here.
Thanks, Mummy.
Put the sauce by yourself.
Oh, look at this.
Which person?
When this is a dye, this is a bride. This is dye. Sorry.
Dye and Bry.
Yeah, dye and bride.
And Dallas. Oh, the three. Dye, Bry and Dallas.
Yes.
When I eat sausages,
Those are nice.
when I eat the sausages, I always take the ends. Then I eat the bread, all the bread without the sausage. Then I just eat the whole sausage.
Eat the sausage.
That's what I do.
Restaurant open.
This is actually pretty thick.
Nobody said restaurant open.
We're here. All right. Oh,
Can I eat
No,
now?
I'm right.
Yes.
oh, this looks delicious, Yuni.
Come on,
that
Charlie.
is-
This is what I do. I eat the end.
No, we have
I eat
mustard.
the bread.
Yeah, mustard.
Oh, mustard,
Yeah,
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 Eat the
yeah.
sausage after.
Yeah, I'll have mustard.
Yeah, that is
I
mustard.
thought the
Yeah.
idea was to eat the two together.
I'll try.
This sauce is homemade. I make by myself.
How
How did you?
Yes.
Oh, lovely.
I've been making the query. How did she get the sausage in the skin? How did she stuff the sausage?
Yes, what did you do?
Got a machine.
Ah,
You can watch my video how I do that. So everything alright? Do you like the sausage with that? Is it nice? Oh, that's good then.
Hot, hot, hot.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so we can make a sausage for breakfast then, sweetheart. Hey, the first time sausage, mommy.
When we have the the spicy lamb sausages.
Yes.
Those
yeah,
are,
I can make it
that's what I'm
like
saying. If you put a little bit of chili or something, bit of something in.
Spicy.
Well, it's trial and error, isn't it? No, isn't it? So
Yeah.
no, it's nice. Very nice indeed.
very nice, Yuni.
Homemade. Ooh, this
Homemade,
is
homemade frankfurters.
better.
Pretzel there as well. You
Yeah.
were going to do an apple strudel.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I thought you were joking. I do remember you saying.
Apple strudel.
Yeah,
Because I
this
thought
is-
you were joking about the strudel.
No.
So what I said was, do they sell it on the market?
Go for it, it's nice.
Ya, jadi pemirsa, kami makan, what is that?
Frankfurter.
This is what I do at school. I cut my sausages and then I eat
Like
them.
that.
And also, the skin is halal skin also. This very nice.
Not pork skin.
No, no.
Lamb.
Lamb.
It's not really a frankfurter, is it?
Yes.
We modified it to it's a uni frankfurter. Because frankfurters obviously, it's,
Wet.
well, it's like pork, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's boiled as well. It's boiled and it's
Yes.
It tastes like lamb.
Yeah, it is lamb.
Oh, it is lamb.
Yeah.
I can't have pork.
Yeah.
Berhasil ya sosisnya, dan ini ala-ala pokoknya. Ini karena halal dan juga kami suka yang lebih kering. Nah, beginilah pemirsa.
You know the little shop round the corner? We went in there, you got a pizza. This was one lunchtime. And next to it was this dish with these big fat sausages.
Cumberland sausages. Cumberland sausages.
I said, I'll have two of those, because I like those.
Oh.
God, they were that hard, they were that baked, weren't they?
Yeah.
I couldn't eat them. You know, they were really hard. I
Too hard.
couldn't bite them. I thought I shan't be having those again.
Is it soft for you?
Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah.
Yeah. Next time we try make a beef sausages, vegetable sausages.
Well, brown sauce.
Brown
Mustard.
sauce, yes. That is
There's brown sauce.
You
Well,
don't like it.
But I'll sit better than tomato.
Uni.
We don't have it, do we? We
Very
don't have
nice.
it.
I'll try and do that.
This is the best. I have brown sauce now. Look. Oh yay.
Jadi ada pretzel juga, ini ciri khas Jerman.
Oh, pretzel.
Normally Jerman.
Salt.
Yes, salt.
Salt you want
This
and
is
you
it.
want sugar.
Sugar.
Make it how you want. If we're eating it, it's going to be as spicy as you like. It's like sweaty when you're eating it.
It's good for you also, sir.
Of course.
Because homemade, didn't put anything, rubbish thing in there.
You know how sausages came around? It was the rubbish from the food. No, that's what it was. It was the rubbish from the food. So, well, what can we do with that? And they just ground it all together. So you got like a bit of a chicken leg, chicken wing, well, yeah, the waste of the food. With a bit, it doesn't matter what it was. It all went in. That's how it originally. It's changed obviously over time. So it all went in a big melting pot. All got smashed to pieces, and then put into like tubes. Put into pig gut,
Yes,
wasn't it?
skin, yeah.
Yeah, the skin, and then chop. So it was just the top leftovers.
Oh, yeah.
But that's why it was cheap. It was cheaper than anything else. So like a pound of sausages. But like I say, if it's a Wolves, it'll be a lot of the rubbish end. But then you've got other posh, if you like, which will be all the best cuts So it's changed, but it was originally invented for this, get rid of the waste. So they didn't know who she was.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Apel Strudel. He's not lying.
Oh, is that what apple strudel looks like? Oh.
Alright, yeah.
When did you make
Was he
that?
standing in the right
Saturday?
position?
Yeah.
Have a try. You want it with the custard?
Yeah.
Of course, yes.
Oh. Okay,
Oh,
yes,
so it's like-
yes.
You mean you haven't done custard?
Yes, got it, yeah.
No, I'm just saying. Oh, she has.
Oh, she has, yes.
Just show
I
you the position.
thought
Oh,
they'd
listen.
sell that on
Just watch
the
it. Right, that's normal.
jelly market.
Can I go?
But you're a bit like
No,
this.
I haven't
No.
seen it. It's everyone.
Open.
It's going to go that way, but actually
Yeah,
it's
goes
like
over there.
pointing that
And you
way.
can. Not quite as open.
Did you make the custard
Right,
unit?
that's perfect. Hands in front, that's it. Perfect. Here we go.
So not
We went down
No,
every
that's a
store.
bit too
I
much.
couldn't
You
see
don't.
any.
That's it.
Apel
I couldn't
Strudel.
believe it.
What's it? It's like holding it. Really. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Yes.
What do you think?
better.
No.
No, it's too open.
10 out of
Too
10.
open.
Very nice.
Put your hands there.
Very nice.
There you go.
You can take to
You've
home
got
then.
the club. You like this? Yeah, right, that's
Don't
normal.
you like it?
I like it, but
Try
not
it.
too much.
You haven't got to be like
It's only
this.
you, you mean?
You got no.
Very nice, you know.
Yeah, put a lot of apple and rice in.
I'm still tempted to have another one.
I think we've got to start on the 20th.
Gampang banget, gak perlu persiapan kecuali yang sosis ya saya bikin sendiri ya, dan apel strudel juga gampang. Kalau roti udah biasa ya, udah banyak resep yang saya share roti juga gampang. Nggak seperti masakan Indonesia persiapannya banyak dan lama, kok ini cepet banget. Jadi gampang banget masakan luar itu ya. Oke, kalau gitu segitu aja video hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah subscribe, komen, dan thumb. Sampai ketemu di video-video selanjutnya. Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye.